What is a brand more than just a logo when you hear the word brand? What comes to mind? A logo, a catchy slogan, a product. While these are part of branding, a brand is much more than that. A brand is not just a name or a symbol. It's the feeling, perception, and reputation people associate with a business. It's what makes Nike more than sneakers and Apple more than just a tech company. 1A brand is an experience. Think about your favorite brand. How does it make you feel? Excited, inspired, trusting? Brands create emotions through their logo, design, messaging, and customer interactions. Every detail shapes how people experience the brand. 2A brand is a promise. A brand sets expectations. When you see McDonald's golden arches, you expect fast food and consistency. A Tesla promises innovation and sustainability. A strong brand builds trust by delivering what it promises every time. 3A brand is an identity. Strong brands have personalities and values that people connect with. Nike inspires action, just do it. Coca-Cola promotes happiness and togetherness. Apple represents innovation and simplicity. People don't just buy products, they buy into the brand story and identity. For a brand lives in the mind of the consumer. A brand isn't what a company says it is. It's what customers believe it is. Reputation. So, what's your brand? Whether you're a business, freelancer, or content creator, your brand is how people see you, feel about you, and remember you. Want to build a powerful brand? Be consistent, be authentic, and tell a story that connects with people. What's your favorite brand and why? Please drop a comment below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.